I try to stay healthy. I work out regularly, I eat right.
He tries to eat right, but every once in a while he goes a little overboard, especially when it comes to foods that are high in cholesterol.
Okay, I may indulge a little, but at my last doctor's visit, my cholesterol was in the normal range.
Well, it's normal now, but is there anything else he needs to do to ensure that it stays that way?
Maintaining a healthy balance between HDL and LDL cholesterol is one of the most important things you can do for your overall health and wellness, especially as you age. That's why, based on scientific research, Life Extension has developed ColeSupport to help you maintain a healthy cholesterol profile.
So I also found out that the ingredients in ColeSupport are vegetarian, which fits right into my lifestyle.
And because my levels are already normal, it'll help me maintain a healthy balance of my total cholesterol. I'll keep exercising and eating right, but it's nice to have that.
Little extra peace of mind.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.